and we're here today at Pop-Up Neighbor Through Laundry in Port Charlotte. Pop-Up Neighbor Through Laundry is one of the most fun and exciting things we do because everyone who walks through the door of this laundromat is getting their laundry done for free, thanks to the generosity of the Patterson Foundation and the Suncoast Campaign for Grade Level Reading.
Okay, so we're doing free laundry day. We're paying for your laundry, and all we need is your first name.
We have many partners here working with us today. The library, the health department, the food bank. We have our lead partner in Charlotte County, United Way of Charlotte County here. And it's a wonderful time for all of us in the community to make friends and to support each other.
Hey, I'm Angie Matheson, Director of United Way of Charlotte County, and we're here with Claudette Smith. She's the Public Information Officer at Charlotte County Sheriff's Office and also on the board of United Way of Charlotte County. And I think Claudette can really speak to the power of having our community partners here today, and want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, I'm excited to be here. I know the sheriff as well. Just another way that we can serve our community and get our resources out there for people who really do need help can find those answers. So we're really excited to partner with you, and we're excited to be here.
Things are so expensive these days, and people are making choices on, either doing their, simple things like laundry or buying groceries or other items. They're not even thinking about luxury items at this point. We're talking about necessities, and this gives an opportunity to, expose them to a giving event and know that there's people out there that care.
Was this a surprise when you found out about this today?
Not even a surprise. I was shocked. We opened the door and you guys just invade us. And I'm like, no, it's not true. And you say, yes, we can do your laundry for free. We have soap, we have this, we have snacks.
I mean, we are helping people get their laundry from their car, bringing it into the laundromat, placing their laundry into the washers, and I think it's an interesting way that we're serving our community. It's not every day that that happens.
Hi, I am Ashley Garzo. I am the youth librarian at the Port Charlotte Public Library, and I'm here to connect with families, get them excited about the library and reading.
Oh, awesome. That looks like a fun book.
Silly salad, guys.
So where are we in the laundromat today? What is this?
We are in the reading corner, and this is the best place to be in the laundromat. Not doing laundry, reading books.
Okay,
right?
here we go.
Before we came here, we went to the laundromat on Harborview, and because my daughter needed to wash a quilt, so she needed to use a really large washer. And it was being used, and the second one was broke down. So we came here because my daughter knew of this place.
My mom said if you overfill the washer, you break it, you buy it. I'd rather go to laundromat.
And it's been a real blessing because I have my 6-year-old little granddaughter with me, and she's needing some help in learning with reading.
It's absolutely wonderful to see the children get reading and getting books, and just seeing their smiling faces. It makes me very happy.
Oh boy, ice cream. Gerald.
Lizzie, the literacy boss, is at the laundromat today. We were hopeful that kids would be here and they'd be able to come on the bus and pick a book and get to take it home and keep it for themselves so that they can increase their own personal libraries.
I love this bus.
It's a great bus.
I'm telling you, this put food back in their mouths, especially when they have kids, small ones. Put gas in their cars when they need gas to go to work. So this program is really good. And I'm really, really amazed and thankful for it.
It helped because I had to spend money. Now I don't spend any penny. And then I wash all my clothes. Thank you.
It's good. Blessing to have it done.
It was awesome.
Yes, you guys are God sent. It's such a blessing. It's such a blessing.
Such a unique way to connect with people, to go the extra mile, and to share the resources that we have to offer, and to work with community connectors also. So it's just unbelievable.